Lesson 5, Capstone, Conversations that Flow. Today we assemble 는데 and 으면 into 3 real conversations, then construct a grand assembly sentence. Let's see how setting the scene and opening possibilities turns stacked sentences into natural conversation. Scene 1. 주말에 뭐 해요? 특별한 계획은 없는데요. 그럼 시간이 있으면 같이 영화 봐요. Notice how 는데요 softens B's response and 으면 seamlessly opens the suggestion to watch a movie. Scene 2. At work. 이 서류는 어떻게 해요? 여기에 이름을 쓰면 돼요. 되는데 오늘 보내면 더 좋아요. Look at 되는데. It combines 되다 and 는데 in a single smooth word. Scene 3. 바쁜데 재미있어요. 어려운데 계속하고 있어요. 빨리 잘했으면 좋겠어요. Now, the grand assembly, a master sentence built from every grammar machine we've learned. 내일 친구를 만나는데 비가 오면 못 만나요. I'm meeting a friend tomorrow, but if it rains, we can't meet. Series 11 recap. 는데 hangs context. 는데요 softens responses. and 으면 opens possibilities. 한국어를 잘하면 좋겠어요? 이 채널을 보면 돼요. Wish you were good at Korean? Just watch this channel. Congratulations on completing Series 11, Setting the Scene. You now speak flowing Korean. See you in Series 12!